Hi guys, here I am at Hobby Lobby. Oh yeah! Look at these pumpkins. Oh my god, I can't believe. Look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I think those are $9.99. And this says very blessed. So thankful. And look at these. Oh my goodness, guys. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, look, they have one with the truck. You see it? I can't believe this, guys. I absolutely love this store. Okay, so look, we have some turkeys and some squirrels. Oh my God, look at this. It's so gorgeous. So these, oh, I'm so excited, guys. I can't even breathe. Okay, I think these are $5.99. And look at that color. Look at this green color, guys. And these pumpkins, those are $11.99. And look at those. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So these on the bottom are $17.99. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So this is the foaming pumpkin patch hand soap. And these are $9.99, guys. And then look at these. What are these? I think those are napkin rings, guys. And look at all the colors they have. So those, I'm not sure. Oh, they're $2.99 each. Okay, that's for these. And I really do think these are napkin rings. Doesn't say it on there, I don't think. No, but look how gorgeous that is. And then here are the bowls. Guys, a grateful bowl. The orange one says grateful, and that is $6.99. Then the white one, guys, says blessed. Okay, those are $6.99. Okay, then the green ones, guys, I'm sorry about that. The green ones say thankful. And then look at these, guys. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? So look at this. Comes with a little mixer inside. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. There it is in green, guys. And those are $11.99. And look at the truck mug. Oh my God. I'm just loving it. I absolutely love this place, guys. Okay, so this is $9.99. $9.99 with a coupon. I don't know. I may get that, guys. Okay, so then here's the spoon rest. And what are these little teeny tiny? Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Here it is in white. They look like little shot glasses, guys. Those are $2.99. They're so adorable. Look at them. Look how tiny they are. Okay, so here's a truck. I like these because you can fill them with anything. So this is $19.99. I gotta look to see if there's a coupon here. And then here are the dishes. Oh my goodness, they have the dishes. These are gorgeous. Okay, so these are $9.99 each. Then they have these serving ones. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Okay, this is $13.99. I'm absolutely loving that. And then look at the casserole dish. The casserole dish, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can turn that over. So I don't want. Then I can't check the price to this, guys. It's too heavy. So here, look at this. I guess it's for cheese. A serving tray. I think it's for cheese because it has the little knife there. How much is that? $11.99. Okay, so then you have here are the chargers, guys. Now these chargers are $3.99. Okay, so all these dishes, guys. Okay, so these are ceramic. They're absolutely gorgeous for Thanksgiving. So those are $9.99, and those are just the salad plates. So these, guys, are the dinner plates. Give thanks with a grateful heart. $15.99. So I think I calmed down enough, guys, to tell you the prices to these things. So here's a runner, $21.99. And here's some towels, and I can't reach the price, but look how absolutely gorgeous that is. Then look at the pumpkins, and there's the other runner. That one is $19.99. Yes, that truck and that green is absolutely gorgeous. And these guys are the mixing bowls. So this says blessed beyond measure. I love that. Okay, so that, I'm trying to get you a price, guys. $21.99, and that's ceramic. Okay. All right, so then they have these color charges. Isn't that like a different color green? Okay, and then this one here's the pumpkins in those 3 colors. And look, guys, they have the sunflowers, and these are the napkin rings, guys. I'm not used to seeing them in that shape. So all these napkin rings that are over there, like right here, these are the pumpkin ones in these colors. And then over here you have the sunflowers. Those are all $2.99. Then they have these. These are $2.99. And these 2 colors, I love that green. So here is the sunflower set. Look at the bowls, guys. So this is $7.99. Then they have the pumpkin hand wash soap. I think I showed you that. And here are the dishes, guys. There's the measuring bowl. And look at the truck in gray. Oh my goodness, I think I'm loving this gray. This one though has the different color pumpkins on the bottom. So I don't dare turn this over, guys, but that's absolutely gorgeous, that one. This one is the red one, and that one doesn't have anything. That's $19.99. That one doesn't have anything in the back. That's pretty nice, guys. Then look, they have the dishes. So they have the red truck with the pumpkins in the back, the sunflowers. This salad plate is $9.99. Then they have this platter right here. So some of these things, guys, are too heavy and I can't lift them. So this platter is $19.99. Then they have these glasses, guys. You see this? Isn't that gorgeous? That's hand painted. $8.99. The stemless wine glasses. Then next to that, guys, look at this. Isn't this adorable? These are the dogs. That is so adorable. I think this is new, like a new set maybe for this year. So the platters, oh my goodness, this one is $27.99 for that. This must be new. Then this plate here is $9.99. That's very different. I never seen that before. So here, guys, is the coffee mug. That coffee mug is $9.99. And then this is the one with the dog. So let me see if I can get a price. So this one is $9.99. So this here, okay, so this bowl here says thankful. I like that. And there's the grateful one. And just to show you up here, guys, there you have they don't feel like towels. These are really nice though, these napkins. No, it does say kitchen towels, $5.99. It doesn't feel like it though, guys. It doesn't feel like a towel. Here's the runner. That's $19.99. Let me back up, guys. I get so excited. So anyway, here's the one that says I love fall most of all, with the cats, I think, playing. Then here are the dogs, guys. So those are $6.99. Then here are the runners. And then look at the pumpkins, guys. These pumpkins are so cute. So this is $3.99 for those. Okay, then we have the chargers. Guys, look at these chargers. So they're distressed. I'm absolutely loving them. This one says thankful, grateful, and blessed. Absolutely loving them. And then look at the plates along the bottom. Let me see. These are ceramic. Those are $9.99, guys. Then these are the salt and pepper shakers, guys. Let's see. $7.99 for that set there. And then look, this hand soap over here is called Sweet Bouquet. And then here's some coasters. And that's by Robert Stanley for $5.99. Then look at this set in blue. I'm loving that. $29.99 for this runner. It's like a velour. Beautiful. And here, Thanksgiving, the towels. Here's the dish mat. Here, the kitchen utensils. I should say serving set. And look at the placemats. Robert Stanley placemats. Each of these guys are $7.99. Now look at the plates. I am absolutely loving that green. That is $11.99 for each one. And there it is in the orange. And here, guys, is the placemat, $7.99 for this. And then look at the chargers. So here's the chargers. So here, guys, let's see how much the chargers are. Look how gorgeous. That is $3.99. Here, guys. Oh, look, the little picture holders, I think they are $3.99. They come. And look at the towels. These are $6.99 each. Then here's the felt coasters for $2.99, the leaves and the colors. Then here's the rolling pin. Isn't that adorable? The squirrel and the nuts. That is so adorable. That's $11.99, guys. And so look at the coffee mugs, guys. So this one here is $9.99. Here's the owl. Here's the fox. I think that's the hedgehog. $9.99. I think that's a cat. $8.99. These are so gorgeous. Look at this. These are melamine. This is gobble till you wobble. $1.99. So it's $1.99 each. I'm really liking these. Oh, these are ceramic. So each one of these has a different animal. So here is the fox. Those are $9.99. And let me just see what other kind they have. So that's the hedgehog, guys. You see that? So I'm pretty sure, I don't want to break anything, I'm pretty sure they have the different ones to match these. Here are your tumblers. So let's see, the tumblers are $4.99, guys. That's so cute. There's your cutting board and your basting. And here it says whip it good. Let's talk turkey. But first, pumpkin spice latte. Here's a Robert Stanley, $2.99. These are napkin rings, guys. Isn't that pretty? So then they have these. These are, how much is that? $2.99. And this one says blessed, thankful, grateful. And then these are also napkin rings, guys. And look how pretty these are. This says blessed, and these are $3.99. Then they have this kind here. That's shaped like a pumpkin, guys. I'm loving those beads. So this is $5.99. So they have some more napkin rings here. That one is shaped like galvanized metal, and it's like a house shape. So look at these, guys. This one says gather, $7.99. And look at these chargers, guys. Aren't they beautiful? So those chargers are $3.99, guys. And here's the napkin holders that say thankful, great, gather. So these are $9.99. And here's some more of those. This is a darker grain. And I'm loving these placemats, guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? $5.99 each. And then look at these coffee mugs. Is that not gorgeous, guys? That is $9.99. And here are the bowls. And here are the plates. So these plates here, guys, are $9.99. I like these. This is the hedgehog, where you would put your little scouring pad. Those are $5.99. And then here is your foaming hand soap, and that's called Serenity. That, guys, I think they're all the same price. $9.99. And here's your napkins. So your napkins are $11.99. Then down here, guys, what are these? Oh my goodness, I almost missed this. Look at this placemat. So this placemat, guys, is $7.99 for that one. Look at this. They have the galvanized metal. Hold on. So you have this kind right here. And this is $4.99. But then you have that one. It's a little bit more subtle. I don't know if you can see that. Then down here, this must be a cake stand. $19.99. Look at that. Then you have these. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are gorgeous. These are $34.99, guys. Look at that wooden cake stand. Then here's a Lazy Susan. Come gather at the table. Let's see how much that is, guys. $19.99. And then look at these. Guys, I don't even know what this is. I just know it's cute. I hope I don't knock this down. Okay, so that looks like a stand. It says thankful and blessed. And that is $7.99. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. You have these placemats over here, guys. These are $9.99. I like those. Then you have these, guys. There's just so much to show you. I'm just gonna scan through most of this stuff. So this says blessed. Let me see if they all say blessed. This one says thankful. I like these. This one says blessed, thankful, grateful. I like that. So they have different messages, and this is $8.99 for those. And here's the sugar bowl, $8.99, and the creamer, $8.99. Beautiful set, guys. And then look at these chargers, guys. Oh, but you know what, guys? These chargers are made in tin, not melamine. These are tin chargers. Okay, let's see. $3.99 each. They don't look like it though, but they're tin. That's nice. And here's some more pumpkin napkin holders, $3.99. So they have this kind. Then they have these are a little bit more metallic, and there's the orange ones. So like I said, these chargers are tin. Here are the picture holders. That's in like the cream color. Here's gathered together. Those are $5.99. Guys, look at this. So these, guys, are the picks, the food picks. So that one says grateful, blessed, thankful. I like that. So here's like the bronzy color, and here's like the silver. And look at these little spoons. Guys, those are $9.99. And then the wine stoppers, those are $8.99. Look at these little wooden bamboo spoons, $3.99. And look at these napkin rings. Oh my goodness, you can get lost in here. Look at these little cups, $5.99. That is so adorable. Look how tiny that is. And then here are the coasters. And those, guys, are $15.99. Absolutely gorgeous. And then they have that color. So here's the copper cups, and these are $9.99. And look, blessed, thankful, thankful, blessed. I love these plates, guys. And look at the placemats. Is that not gorgeous? $4.99. Okay. Then you have your cheese cutting. That's $9.99. And here's a cutting board. Beautiful. And look at this. Coffee obsessed and blessed, grateful. So pumpkin leaves, family and friends, cinnamon spice, and everything nice. I'm loving the black and white, guys. And all of this area is buffalo check. Guys, I could scream right now. So this one is shaped like a leaf. And this one is $4.99. Then they also have the buffalo check in that gray, but I'm loving the black. And then here's the measuring in ceramic. And here are the measuring cups. I love these measuring cups, guys. These are $14.99. And so over here you have the drying mat, $7.99, $7.99 for that. Here are the mugs, guys. I'm loving this size mug. This is, I think it's $9.99. Yeah, that's $9.99. And then the plates. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Hobby Lobby to check out all of their Thanksgiving decor, and I will see you in the next video.